I get a lot of questions about the stencils I use, how I make them, how I design them, and how I get them to work so well. Doesn't matter if you're brand new to oil painting or if you've been doing it for years. Once everybody sees these stencils, they want to know how they can get their hands on some. And it's not just about owning a Cricut. The real difference is the design, the setup, and knowing how to actually use the stencils the right way. I've been an instructor for over 35 years, and I've been teaching the Stencil Workshop for about 2 years now. Almost 100 lure painters have gone through it, and nobody leaves without knowing how to make their own stencils. If you're worried about the computers or software, don't be. I've helped plenty of people with very little computer experience, and they all figured it out. It's a live, 4-hour online workshop. I keep it small and only 4 people per session, so you actually get help. I only do 1 Saturday a month with a morning and afternoon session. And the bonus is when you complete the workshop, I'm going to give you my entire collection of stencil files, everything I use. And right now you can get this workshop for 50% off. Just use the code Crusty when you register at lurestencils.com. This offer ends December 31st. Seats are limited, 4 in the morning, 4 in the afternoon. Once they're gone, that's it for the month. This seminar's date is January 17th, 2026. If you want to stop buying stencils and actually learn how to make and design your own, let me teach you how to do that. This workshop will save you a lot of time and frustration. And if you've taken one of my courses before, please feel free to leave a comment and let others know what you thought about it. Thanks, my friends. Hope to see you in the workshop. And always remember, stay crusty.